Hello friends, yes, welcome. Sharmila Sweetie, today we will try to complete the two reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reaction of alkyl halide with cyanide as well as nitro. These both groups are known as a ambident nucleophile. What do you mean by ambident nucleophile? The nucleophile in which there are two atoms which act as nucleophilic center. That's why two types of products are obtained during the reaction. First of all, we will try to understand the reaction about the RX with cyanide nucleophile. If the reaction is carried out with alcoholic potassium cyanide, at that time carbon will act as nucleophilic center Rx and KCN. Kx will remove as a byproduct. R will directly attach with cyanide group, carbon atom of cyanide group. Here carbon will act as nucleophilic center. So when carbon acts as nucleophilic center, at that time our product will be cyanide. Otherwise you can say nitrile. But when we do the reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholic silver cyanide, at that time nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center. Rx, AgCN, AgX will remove as a byproduct. R will directly attach with nitrogen R and C. नाइट्रोजन के ऊपर पॉजिटिव चार्ज और कार्बन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज. दिस ग्रुप इज नोन एज ए आइसोसाइनाइड ग्रुप. Otherwise you can say these compounds are also known as isonitrile compounds. Means on reaction with alcoholic KCN, our product will be cyanide or nitrile compound. And on reaction with alcoholic AgCN, our product will be isocyanide or isonitrile compound. This is the illustration methyl chloride and ethyl chloride. On reaction with alcoholic KCN, it will give methyl cyanide or ethane nitrile or cyanomethane. But when we do the reaction with alcoholic AgCN, at that time methyl isocyanide, its IUPAC name is methane isocyanide, will be our main product. AgCl will be removed as a byproduct. During the reaction of ethyl chloride with alcoholic KCN, it will give ethyl cyanide or cyanoethane. Otherwise you can say IUPAC name is propane nitrile. But on reaction with alcoholic silver cyanide, our product will be ethyl isocyanide. You can say ethane isocyanide with removal of AgCl as a byproduct. Means in cyanide group possesses two types of nucleophilic center. When carbon will act as nucleophilic center, at the time our main product will be cyanide, and when nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center, at that time our product will be isocyanide. Second functional group is NO2 minus 1. This is also ambident because in this group sometimes nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center and sometimes oxygen will act as nucleophilic center. On reaction between alkyl halide and alcoholic potassium nitrite KNO2, here oxygen will act as nucleophilic center. Yes, Rx and KNO2. Kx will remove as a byproduct. R will directly attach with oxygen. RO single bond and double bond O. This is nitrite compounds. But when we do the reaction of alkyl halide with alcoholics HgNO2 silver nitrite. At that time, what is the mechanism? Rx AgNO2. Then AgX will be removed as a byproduct. Here nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center. That's why, and nitrogen will directly attach to alkyl group. Nitro compounds will be our main product with elimination of AgX. You see, methyl chloride on reaction with alcoholic KNO2, methyl nitrite compound बोलेंगे, because here on reaction with alcoholic KNO2 oxygen will act as nucleophilic center, or on reaction of methyl chloride will alcoholic AgNO2, here nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center. Finally, nitromethane will be our main product with elimination of AgCl as a byproduct. Second illustration, ethyl chloride की reaction है. On reaction with alcoholic KNO2, oxygen will act as nucleophilic center. CH3, CH2O, single bond and double bond O. Ethane nitrite. But when the reaction is carried out with alcoholic AgNO2, at that time nitrogen will act as nucleophilic center. So CH3, CH2, NO2, nitroethane will be our main product with elimination of AgCl as a byproduct. तो समझो ये दो न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स है, साइनाइड -1 और नाइट्रो -1. दिस बोथ न्यूक्लियोफाइल possess 2 nucleophilic center. तो जब कार्बन साइनाइड में कार्बन न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सेंटर पे तौर पे काम करेगा तभी साइनाइड या नाइट्राइल प्रोडक्ट में होगी. बट व्हेन नाइट्राइल विल एक्ट एज न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सेंटर, एट दैट टाइम आवर प्रोडक्ट विल बी आइसोसाइनाइड. Similarly, in case of NO2, when nitrogen act as nucleophilic center, at that time our product will be nitro compound, and when oxygen will act as nucleophilic center, at that time our product will be nitrite compound. Okay? तो ये दो रिएक्शन है, दोनों साइनाइड ग्रुप और नाइट्रो ग्रुप, दोनों both are known as ambident nucleophiles. ये बाकी सब न्यूक्लियोफाइल हम देखे आज अब तक, उसमें एक ही न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सेंटर था. ऐसा न्यूक्लियोफाइल कि जिसमें दो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सेंटर है उसको हम एम्बिडेंट न्यूक्लियोफाइल बोलते हैं. एम्बिडेंट न्यूक्लियोफाइल में विद गिव्स two types of product. It will depends upon the reaction condition. Okay? तो अल्किल हैलाइड की रिएक्शन ही है, अल्किल हैलाइड भी बनाया जाता है. वी कैन ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर ईथर कंपाउंड ही. यस, अल्कोहल, एमाइन, थायोल एंड ईस्टर कैन बी ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड फ्रॉम द अल्किल हैलाइड. CN, हाइड्रोकार्बन, यू कैन से अल्केन, साइनाइड या आइसोसाइनाइड, नाइट्रो या नाइट्राइट कंपाउंड कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड. तो ये सब रिएक्शन ही लेड HCN. दिस ऑल आर द केमिकल रिएक्शन of alkyl halide. Otherwise it is far better to say nucleophilic substitution reactions of alkyl halide, क्योंकि alkyl halide में हेलोजन एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, तो रिएजेंट में से दूसरा न्यूक्लियोफाइल हेलोजन को रिप्लेस करेगा, सब्स्टिट्यूट करेगा और न्यू प्रोडक्ट मिलेगी. ये सब न्यू प्रोडक्ट मिलती है. ओके, यस शर्मिला, हम यहाँ खत्म करते हैं. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.